To delete temporary files from your system, follow these steps. 1. Open the Run dialog. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. 2. Search for temporary files. Type temp in the box and click OK. 3. Grant permission. If prompted for permission to access the folder, click Continue. 4. View temporary files. A window will open displaying all the temporary files on your system. 5. Select all files. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files in the folder. 6. Delete the files. Press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the files. If prompted for confirmation or permission to delete, click Yes or Grant permission. Once completed, all temporary files will be deleted from your system, freeing up storage space. Repeat this process periodically to keep your system clutter-free.